what exactly is dry eye? Well, as simple as it sounds, it's actually a rather complex topic. It's broadly categorized into two different types: aqueous deficient dry eye or evaporative dry eye. Aqueous deficient dry eye is caused when the lacrimal gland does not secrete enough watery layer of the tear film, whereas evaporative dry eye is caused by excessive evaporation of the tears off of the surface of the eye due to a lack of oil in the tear film. Now, to make things even more complex, these two conditions often overlap, requiring the help of an optometrist or an ophthalmologist to manage your eye symptoms.